Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. For the past 2 weeks we haven't been posting, and the reason for that is this: we've been preparing, been busy, very busy, alhamdulillah. Now we've nearly completed it, almost completed the library and the studio. So follow me, inshallah. I'll show you how we've set up the library. So this side we've dedicated to the tafsir, to the Quran, the tafsir of the Quran, alhamdulillah. This. Then right across the tafsir, so on my right was tafsir, and on the left, alhamdulillah, we have the books of hadith. And so that's Fath al-Bari, Sharh of Bukhari, Umdat al-Qari, also Sharh of Bukhari. And mashallah, here's a seating plan where we have the cat enjoying herself, mashallah. Also, so this side we have Al-Fiqh al-Islami wa Adillatuhu. So this is dedicated to fiqh. These are the fiqh books here, Arabic. Then we have Urdu here, all the fatawa, mashallah, senior scholars, ulama all around the world. This is also fiqh. Here on this shelf on the left is tafsirs of the Quran in English, all the different tafsir. We have tafsir ibn Kathir and Ma'arif al-Quran, also the Noble Quran by Shaykh Uthmani rahimahullah. Then we have here, we have Bukhari, translation of Bukhari, hadith books in English, biography of the Sahaba, inshallah, which is a preparation for a new series that will be beginning soon, inshallah. Then here, like we said, was fiqh. Here Al-Bidayah wa Nihaya, again Al-Kamil fi Tarikh. So this is all history books, Urdu history, English, Arabic history, all we have. Tarikh Ibn Khaldun, alhamdulillah, all history books. Here we have Aqidah books and a few different topics. We have all, alhamdulillah, I've compiled them into these shelves, and these are also different topics, English, Urdu mix, inshallah. So we still got to make a few differences and changes, but alhamdulillah, we've almost completed. So we will be posting, inshallah. The next video will be with a revert brother on Monday or Tuesday. We'll be posting that, inshallah. And we've spoken to him, we're going to be learning from his experiences, some advice that we can take from him, inshallah. And yeah, one last touch with the lights as well, alhamdulillah. So the first one was light, then it's a mixture of blue and white, then we have just blue. So alhamdulillah, we just try to give it a bit of beauty and try to make it as clean as possible. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept, inshallah. Be waiting and expecting the new video on Monday or Tuesday. Barakallahu feekum. Remember, was in your du'as.